Nah, this lightning is going crazy. What up, you guys? Man, I was like, you know what? This lightning is going crazy. So we're gonna try to we're gonna go on a POV drive, man. So yeah, let me stop that music. Lightning and thunder is going crazy right now. And I figured I'd do a little POV drive in the rain, because I feel like we haven't done a little POV drive in the rain in a little while. Let me go ahead and connect this real quick. And we're just gonna go around and see what's up, bro. A little drive, a little nice little calm drive for you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, if you guys are enjoying the video. I know I told you guys I'm gonna upload a lot more content, a lot more POV, and so that's what we're gonna do. So the whole day was like super, oh, more lightning. The whole day was super duper nice. And as soon as I come out the gym, bro, it was like mad rain and thunder and lightning and all of that. But hold on, make sure we Gucci. And let's go this way. We're just gonna drive around the areas and just have a little bit of fun in the rain. See if we can get some more of the, see if we can capture a cool shot of like the thunder and lightning shenanigans. There was some crazy one on the way back from the gym. There was like right in front of me. It looked super duper cool, but I did not have my camera, and yeah, I couldn't capture it. But now we do, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's probably not the smartest thing to be driving in this weather, but you know, it's all right. And just to give you guys a little update on the stuff, so I got a notification yesterday, or an email, saying that my lights, my ambient lighting, it's on the way. So we're gonna have this interior really transformed, and it's gonna look really cool. Hey, diablo, don't fall asleep on me, yeah, but enjoy the rain, man. Let's just drive, have some fun. Those raindrops are thick, bruh. They look thick. Do we have the car in sport? Even though you probably won't even be able to hear it. How the heck it went from mad hard to like nothing in a matter of seconds? Trying to capture some lightning, bruh. Some lightning. I might take a nap in here, bruh. I'm just chilling for real, bro. This rain sounds so good, bro. I really want to take a nap in here. The AC is coming right into my body, and yeah, it just feels really good. Bing bong. I hate this light. This light takes forever, bro. Literally takes ages. Well, enjoy that rain. ASMR. I'm gonna be quiet now for a little bit. Just enjoy the rain, man. I'm gonna sit back myself and just go on my phone, bro. Go on my phone. Watch, oh, lightning. Watch my own TikTok videos while we wait in this light. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, look, that's my TikTok right there, yeah? Follow me. Alright, we out. If my car was rear-wheel drive, I would not be driving out here right now. Especially with how bad my tires are. I probably shouldn't be out here at all, but I'm gonna be out here regardless. Oh, there's not even a lane. I can't even see the lane, bro. You guys hear the burbles still? Comment down below if you guys can still hear the burbles. even with all this rain. Nah, this puddles and stuff, chill. This came literally out of nowhere because on the app it showed like it was gonna be a nice day. And now look, it's literally raining out of nowhere. Firefighters are ready to go. The firefighters can relax right now. If there's any fires anywhere around, the rain got you. Is that a guy on a bike right now? Damn, my son be getting his money. He's part of the A&P, bro. Any means possible. You gotta get his bread no matter what, bro. I respect it 1000%. Super dark and there's like barely anybody out here. It's literally almost 10 at night on a Wednesday. So there shouldn't be anybody out here, but we are. We're becoming the storm chasers. You guys see those videos or people that like chase tornadoes and stuff? We're chasing lightning and thunder right now. That's us, the lightning chasers. I can't wait till I got the ambient lighting. I feel like the night, then I can really do some night POV drives because it's gonna be all lit up in here, bro. It's gonna look nice. What am I doing? I don't even know what the heck. Where am I going, bro? I can't even see anything. I remember I got pulled over right here once because I was like avoiding all the potholes and all these bumps that you guys see. They pulled me over and they're like, yo, why are you driving like that? I'm like, oh, I'm just trying to avoid the potholes. And I was like, oh, I live right here. This one I used to live in my old crib. I live right here. And they're like, oh, just, you know, don't be doing that. Oh, more lightning. Don't be doing that because like from behind it looks crazy. And I agree with them. I'm like, yeah, you're probably right. My bad, whatever. And they just let me go. And it wasn't like an actual like a police cop car. It was one of those like undercover cops on the regular blacked out cars. It was like 4 guys popped out of that thing, brought out of nowhere. I said, uh-oh, what did I do? But they let me go though. They let me rock. I don't know if I can turn right on red here, but I'm gonna do it. I don't think there's anybody anyway. Let me check though. Oh, somebody on a bike again. Don't tell me that's the same guy I saw earlier, because there's no way he made it down here this fast. If he did, yo, you got it, bro. Matter of fact, I'm about to run into the store right now real quick and buy something. Oh, I see all those flashes, bro. They're going crazy. Signal park. And I was about to leave my car double parked right here. Let's run into the store real quick. Take my keys. Nah. Run in here real quick. All right, y'all ready? Let's do it. Oh man, it's raining. It's raining. Oh shit. Oh damn, that's a puddle. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. Nah, chill. Don't get away, yeah. Oh shit.
The spoon's gonna be 9.
Yo, what's good?
You be careful from this guy, he's recording us.
What up? You ready to run back in the car? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 440,000 looking clean and wet. All right. Rain and thunder. Oh, that hurt. Okay. Hey, just like that, we're back, boys. Just like that, we are back. Back and ready to rumble. All right, we out. Cause I told my girl I'll be back in 10 minutes. I don't know how long it's been. but it hasn't been 10 minutes, I don't think. Let's go up this way, see what's up. Oh, I didn't even know I still had that on. Oh, did I just slide a little bit? I think I slid a little bit. Stepping on them yellow lines make you slide, bro. It's like no grip on there, especially when it's wet. I can't even see the yellow lines if I'm being honest. There's a rainstorm today? I don't know. Corolla, which way you want to go, left or right, buddy? Pop's still going crazy. Beamer in front of us. Big body X3. X3 what? I can't see it. 30i? I think so. Gotta have it in manual. That's the one thing about tints, bro. In the rain, you can't see nothing. That's the one thing I can say. Having tints in the rain is not the funnest, but it's doable. You can still handle it. It's a little bit annoying, but I don't really mind it. It's not really an annoying that I'm like, damn, I hate these tints because of this. It doesn't rain that much for it to really bother me that much, so you know. Oof. Very mean. We out. That's sounding nice. I wonder how different does it look if I put my window down, look into my left. Look, let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh shoot, go back up. Ah! Doesn't look that much different. I mean, it does a little bit. Oh! I don't know if I caught that. And we're back to this light that takes forever. I guess we're going back on our phones. What's on Instagram? Anything important on Instagram? Got a F8214 doing donuts. That looks like it's an old video. There's snow on the ground. But we're practicing. Alright, we out. You gonna let me go through or what, bro? You meanie? Well, we're pretty much almost at my crib, so I don't want to record too much. I don't want y'all to know where I live, man. I gotta stay safe out here. But if you guys want to see another video of me driving, check out this video right here in the corner, one of the corners. Go check out that video, another POV for you guys. And with that being said, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy Sticks loves you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.